look so lonely.
Yes, I'm afraid I don't know anyone.
Well, take my hand. I will show you. You like the beat? Party, party, talking, party, talk. Say hello, how do you do? You've got to know who's who. If you don't know who's who, Madam Caterpillar introduce you. This one is Miss Liza. She met a very smart man. She says something about the rain in Spain. He teach her how to be a very fancy lady. She make him fall in love. Now she not playing. Party, party, talking, party, talk. Say hello, how do you do? You've got to know who's who. If you don't know who's who, Madam Caterpillar introduce you. This one's name is Anna. She met a Bertie King. She teach him how to dance and how to sing. She now live in Siam. She live like royalty. She make him fall in love, not everything. Party, party, talking, party, talk. Say hello, how do you do? You've got to know who's who. If you don't know who's who, Madam Caterpillar introduce you. Oh, you like this one? This one is Maria. Her name is just like you. Tony is the boy who missed her right. He make her feel pretty. She teach him how to mumble. She make him fall in love. Everyone fight. Party, party, talking, party, talk. Say hello, how do you do? You've got to know who's who. If you don't know who's who, Madam Caterpillar introduce you. I am Madam Caterpillar. A man he loved me so. I had a secret that he did not know. I sing opera. He think that I was girl, although I had some extra down below.